You're gonna do exactly what I do with mine, you'll do with yours. Alright? Perfect. So, hold them like this. Perfect. Good. And then put them like this and smile. That's good. Good. Now, take them and slowly pull them apart. Yes, please. I know what I know. I gave you. I have to do it a little slower. Hold one here, put them together like this, and then slowly pull them apart. I have an idea. I'll take mine too. So yours too. Hold on to mine too. Don't do anything with them. Just hold them just like that. Don't do anything with them yet. Okay? So now I'm gonna take your two, and watch me first. Watch. Go ahead. I'm the magician. How did you do that? It was magic. Okay, perfect. Yeah, stand right there. Perfect. Good. Now, you have to get those apart. Okay? So the way this works, hold it in your right hand. Your other right hand. Perfect. Good. Take the bottom one and spin it. Reach into the top. Grab the bottom. Pull them apart. Show that they're apart. Put them back together quickly. How did you do that so quickly? Here, we'll do it again. Hold it in your right hand. Take the bottom one, spin it. Reach into the top. Grab the bottom. Show that they're apart. Put them back together quickly. Come on. Here, I have an idea. Look. Blow on this one. Blow. Hold on. Hold on to that one. Perfect. Watch this thing go all the way down to the bottom. Look, when you get a girlfriend, look, your girlfriend is going to want you to buy her a purse. And then she's going to want you to take her on a date, so you're going to have to take her to the Olympics. And then you're going to get married, and you're going to have to take her to the moon. Alright, take off your necklace. Now I'm going to see you too. Good. Now hold that one out towards me like this. Hold yours out towards me like this. Like this. Hold yours out like that. Perfect. You let go of mine? Okay. Hold it tight, don't let go. Whatever you do, don't let go, okay? Don't let go. Hold it just like that. And then smile for the ladies. Hold it there. Don't look.
Wow.
You okay?
Liam.
This is for you, buddy. This is for you. It's your own magic wand. It'll make anyone you want disappear. Who do you want to make disappear?
My teacher.
Your teacher.
High five. Give him high five.
High five. Good job.
Good job.
All right.
I got my